Black House, a contemporary residence designed by AR Design Studio, is located in Hampshire, United Kingdom. Completed in 2017, this 400 square meters home blends modern architectural elements with historical influences from Kent. Inspired by the garden design of Sissinghurst Castle and the black-clad houses of Dungeness, the house features vertical black timber cladding and a series of interlocking volumes. The design emphasizes connectivity with the surrounding garden, offering distinct experiences and views from each block of the house. The central courtyard, extensive glazing, and cantilevered rooms create a seamless flow between indoor and outdoor spaces, providing the clients with a dramatic yet functional living environment that celebrates contemporary design.